Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope: Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Sunday, June 30, 2024. The horoscope for today is for everybody's catch. It is just a simple Sunday. No drama, no obstacles, no hindrance. It is just but a simple Sunday, giving us blessings, giving us some time to rest, or have a family time, a quality family time. Ang horoscope po natin ngayon, panahon ng Cancer, June 21 to July 22, araw ng Linggo at 30 ng Hunyo 2024. Simple lang ang panahon na ito. Walang drama, walang problema, walang sasalungat. Isang simple, payak na araw na Linggo kung saan magpapahinga ka at bibigyan mo ng quality family time ng iyong pamilya. Isang pagpapahinga lang o pagpunta sa isang malayong lugar na kung saan may katubigan, pag-i-enjoy sa buhay, kasama natin ang mga miyembro